Namaskar everyone. How are you? Student, as you know, we have completed the explanation of our chapter number 5, the Southern Plateau, which is also known as the Peninsula Plateau or also the oldest landmass of India. So today we will do the multiple choice questions and all the objective types question in your textbook. Okay, so before starting our exercise, we will revise this chapter firstly. So read the quick review. Quick reviews. Okay, so plateaus. What is plateau? Plateaus are highlands, also called plateaus are also called tablelands. Why plateaus are also called tablelands? Because it is flat on the top like as table, like this. Plateaus are like this. These are flat on the top like as table. Okay. This is our plateau. This is the ground surface around the plateau region. And this is a land of plateau. Plateau is always, how is plateau? Plateau is always higher than the ground surface around it. Okay. Now the next is the southern or central part of India is a plateau region and is an irregular triangle in shape. It is irregular triangle in shape. Irregular means not a perfect triangular shape. This is our perfect triangular shape, but the southern and the central part of India is a plateau region which has irregular triangular shape like this. Okay. Now next is, it is the oldest landmass of the Indian subcontinent because this portion is a part of Gondwana land, which was the supercontinent in ancient time. Okay. And the southern plateau has two parts, the central highlands and the Deccan plateau. Okay. The southern plateau is also made up of igneous rocks and the metamorphic rocks. Okay. And the southern plateau has two parts, the central highlands and the Deccan plateau. So how is the central highlands? The central highlands cover a large portion of Malwa plateau, which is in the northwest direction of the central highland. Okay. And it has Chota Nagpur plateau in the northeastern part of the central highland, and in the central highland the Malwa plateau has black soil and many rivers are flowing here like Chambal, Betwa and Son. Okay, Son flowed through this region to later join the river Ganga. Okay, and the Chota Nagpur drained by the Damodar river and extremely rich in minerals, especially the deposits of coal, and many coal mines site are here like Giridih in Bihar, Raniganj in West Bengal and Jharia in Jharkhand. Okay, and beside coal, iron, manganese, bauxite and mica are also mined here. Okay, and the Rajmahal Hills on the northeastern side of the central highlands. Okay, now the Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri are the east flowing rivers. Here is not given the Deccan Plateau in your quick review. So I am going to again explain the Deccan Plateau, revise the Deccan Plateau. The Deccan Plateau lies in the south of the Narmada river. Okay. And the Satpura and Vindhyachal ranges lies in the north of the Deccan Plateau. And Satpura range is located between the Narmada and Tapti river. Okay. And Narmada and Tapti rivers are known as the westward flowing rivers. They are flowing opposite to the directions. Okay, The most of river in India flow from west to east, but Narmada and Tapti are flowing opposite to their directions. They meet to Arabian Sea in the in the west. Okay, they meet to Arabian Sea in the west, but most of the river meet to Bay of Bengal. Okay. Now the Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri are east flowing rivers. Two rivers Narmada and Tapti are west flowing. There are many waterfalls. The Jog Falls of Karnataka is India's second highest waterfall. Now the southern plateau is rich in minerals like mica, coal, iron ore and gold also. The cotton, rice, tea, coffee, rubber and spices are major crops of the southern plateau region. Hyderabad, Bengaluru, Nagpur, Indore, Bhopal and Mysore are important cities of the region. Okay, now we will start our objective types questions. Okay, so first is the multiple choice question. First is the multiple choice question. The southernmost part of India is rich in minerals. Tick on option number B, minerals. Okay. Now, second is which is the oldest landmass of India? Which is the oldest landmass of India? Northern Plains, the Himalayas, the Southern Plateau or the Thar Desert? Yes, it is the Southern Plateau. Okay. Option number C. Now, third question is which of the following cities lie in the Southern Plateau? Which is Hyderabad, Kanpur, Patna or Mysore? Here is Hyderabad and Mysore. Tick on Hyderabad and Mysore. Both are comes in the Southern Plateau region. Okay, you can also write that A and B. A and B. Mysore is a Karnataka. So Karnataka and Hyderabad both are comes in the Southern Plateau. So here are something mistake in the option. So we can tick on both A and B because Hyderabad also come in the Southern Plateau and Mysore which is known as the Karnataka in present time also comes in the Southern Plateau. Okay. Now fifth is the Nilgiri hills are in. So it is in which option should be correct? Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Kerala. Option number A. Option number A. Now the fifth is which of the following rivers are westward flowing? So west flowing rivers is Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri or Narmada. So it is Narmada. Tick on Narmada. Option number D. Now fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. The Chota Nagpur Plateau is in the northeast of the southern plateau. Okay. And the second is dash is the southernmost tip of the mainland of India. Which is the southernmost tip of the mainland of India? It is Kanyakumari. So right here Kanyakumari. Okay. Now the river Tapti flows into the Arabian Sea in the west side. Arabian Sea. Right here Arabian Sea. Okay. Now fourth is cotton and oil seed grow well in the black soil. Okay. So grow well in the black soil, cotton and oil seeds. Black soil is also known as the cotton soil or regur soil. Okay. Now fifth is dash and dash are the main sources of irrigation in the South India. So the dams and tanks are the main sources of irrigation in South India. Why? Because all the rivers, mainly most of the rivers in the southern India are seasonal rivers. Seasonal rivers means most of the rivers are rain-fed rivers. Rain-fed river means a river which get water from rain in the rainy season. Okay. Now, option number C, write true or false against each statement. So, the Tibetan plateau is the highest plateau in the world. Yes or no? Tibetan plateau is the highest plateau in the world. Yes, it is true. That is why it is also known as the roof of the world. Roof of the world. Okay. And the Tibetan plateau is in Central Asia, stretches through the country of Tibet, China and India, and occupies an area of 2.5 million square kilometer at an height of over 5 kilometer. Okay everyone, done this? Now the second is the Satpuras are located between the river Narmada and the river Tapti. Yes, Satpura is here. This is Narmada and this is Tapti. Okay, so Satpura range lies between the Narmada river and Tapti river. So this statement is also true. Okay, now the next is Bengaluru is the capital. Bengaluru is the capital of Andhra Pradesh. Yes, it is true. No. Bengaluru is the capital of Andhra Pradesh. This statement is wrong. Bengaluru is the capital of Karnataka. Okay, so this statement is false. The southern plateau, now fourth question is, the southern plateau region of India is rich in minerals? Yes or no? The southern plateau region of India is rich in minerals? Yes, many minerals are found here like coals, iron, mica, bauxite, gold. Okay, so this statement is true. The southern plateau region of India is rich in minerals. Okay. Now the next question is question number 5. The northern plains lies to the south of the Indian plateau. It is right or wrong? The northern plains lie to the south of the Indian plateau. Let's see the direction of the plateau region. This is our map of India and it is our plateau region. So where is our plains? Our plains are here. So where is plains? In the north of the southern plateau or in the south? Our northern plains are in the north of the southern plateau. Okay. So this statement is false. Okay. This statement is false. The northern plains lies to the south of the Indian plateau. It is false because the northern plains lies to the north of Indian plateau. North, upside. The northern plains are in upside of the southern plateau. Okay. Done. Now the next is D, match the columns. Column A and column B we have. In column A we have tableland. So which is known as the tableland? Which option will correct from the B column? So it is plateau, fourth number, tableland, plateau. Now Tibetan plateau, the second option from column A will match with the third option of column B, the roof of the world. Tibetan plateau, the roof of the world. Okay, now the Deccan Plateau will match with the second point of the column B, Cardamom Hills. Okay, Deccan Plateau, the Cardamom Hills comes in the Deccan Plateau. Okay, and the fourth is dams. Now dams will match with the irrigation. Okay, dams are used for irrigation in the central and southern part of India, in the plateau region of the India. Okay, and the fifth is the Chota Nagpur Plateau. Chota Nagpur Plateau will meet with the Rajmahal Hills because Rajmahal Hills lies in the northeast part of the central highland in the Chota Nagpur Plateau region. Okay, everyone. So it will match with the first option. Okay, so now students, we have completed all the objective types of question in our textbook. Okay, so in your homework you have to complete your textbook from exercise 1 to D. Okay, on page number 34 and 35. In our next video lecture we will do the question and answer of this chapter. Okay everyone, so now take care, have a nice day. Bye everyone.